Hey, I'm Angela Akashili, your go-to person on how to make money online and also how to be the best at what you do. Now, before I start this video, I want you to believe me, I'm going to give you good value for your time, okay? So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, my YouTube channel, and leave a like, okay? For this video, okay, because you're going to like the video. Okay, please like this video and don't forget to comment, drop your comments, okay? Now we're here to talk about how to make money online. Now, did you know that you can actually design stuff through this website I'm going to introduce to you and then project it to clients on various platforms, okay? And so I'm here to teach you how to design on the platform called Canva, okay? Ask me, you might tell me you don't have any graphic design skills. You don't have to have it, okay? With what I'm going to teach you now, you're going to be like a professional because you don't have to know all the, rudiments and all of that. You don't have to know everything about graphic designing, okay? The templates are already there, okay? And the website is what? Canva.com. I'm sure you've heard about Canva, but I'm here to teach you step by step on how you can design stuff on Canva. So please stay put as I teach you. Go over to the tutorial, okay, on how to design. Opening Canva, right? And this is what it looks like. Okay, of course, if you have enough money, you can sign up for the pro version, okay? You can sign up for the pro version, right? Where you have access to all the templates, but for now we're using the free one. Believe me, you can get as many as you want if you sign up for the pro, and it's not so much the money, so if you can afford it you can actually do it. So let me go over to login. For you that are newbies, you have to sign up, and it's really easy to sign up for Canva. So I'm logging in because I already signed up a long time ago. Believe me. All right, so this is what it looks like. Now today we're going to be designing, maybe let's say whatever design you want. You see, there are tons of things here for you. You have, if you want to use it for social media, presentations, videos, marketing, everything is here. Can you see this? This is the last one I did for my last video on jobs that you can get in 5 minutes, and this is what it looked like. I designed this from the already made templates, okay? So you can design this, and this is what we're going to be doing today, how you can design your YouTube thumbnails. And then if you want us to design flyers too, we can also do the same. So you see, this is what I did, okay? See, and it's even the same thing I was wearing. Let me do this. Okay, if you're interested in me teaching you how to edit your photos, I'll be available to do that, okay? Just leave a comment in design. So let's start with designing our very own YouTube thumbnail. And so this is what it looks like. So what I do, I just see we have YouTube thumbnail, so they have tons of them. So we just say see all. I'm using my phone right now, so that means you can design on your phone. You can also design on your laptop. I actually prefer to use laptop because it's broader and gives me lots of options and space. I love space, but that notwithstanding, you can use your phone. It's still very, very nice. In fact, because you have all your selfies there and your pictures, so it's very easy to upload. So basically, these are templates that you can use to design your YouTube thumbnail. I don't know what I'm saying. Thumbnail. I studied English. I have to meet up. Okay, so see tons of options. Now don't bother going for the ones that say pro and the ones that say paid, because pro is for the higher version and paid is you'd have to actually pay. But the ones that don't have anything on them, like you see this fitness, this guy, whoa, macho, okay, it's free. This one is free. Crypto lady is free, okay? So you can actually decide to just use that one directly, or you can replace it with your photo, and that's what we're going to be doing today. I like this one in particular. I think I like this one. So you choose any one, you can choose any style, you just type what you want. If it's about business, if it's about play, if it's about work, if it's about fashion, it's about makeup, whatever it is, you just type in what you're searching for and you will get it. Believe me, I'm going to be teaching you how to, you can even design your ebooks on Canva. You can design virtually anything. You can even do your tutorials, you can do whatever on Canva. Believe me, this is not a paid ad. This is my passion. This is what I love to do. So this is already cool. I can just use this one. Okay, now you can change the color. I love this color already. I just love this one. But let's change the color to something else. We can change see the color here. We're going to change it to, we can change it to yellow. See, wow, still very nice. We can change it to black. I think I like, then see white. Wow, so it's lovely. I want to change it to yellow. Okay, then I can change this, right? I can change the, not just the font, I can change the letters, the format, what was written, right? I can change it to something else. What do I change it to? I can just say something like make money working online. That's what I want. Okay, let me say design. We're going to use this, design anything. Design anything on black stuff. I want to expand it to take in more. See, so you see I can move it around. So I want to move this one now. Design anything. Let me make it smaller on your phone. So you see, wow, voila. Sell, let's say this, and sell, double clicking, right? You can edit, right? And sell. I'm just saying anything. I could edit it later, right? So you see, and sell. Wow, design anything on your phone and sell. It doesn't make any sense. Please don't use this heading. It has to be something catchy. Like I would say, I would rather say make money selling digital whatever, or make money, easiest ways to make money. Okay, just anything. Okay, so but I just wanted to show you what it's like. Now I love this guy so much, but if I want to replace it, I can replace it with my photo. Okay, so you click on replace just below. See my photos. See, now see some of my pictures already here. Now if you don't like this ones, probably the ones you have, I don't know why I still have this picture here, you upload media, right? And then you get images directly from your device or wherever you have them stored, if it's Instagram, Facebook, wherever. So you see my phone is giving me the option of files. So I'll click on files, and then I'll simply choose whatever image I would like to use to replace the ones there. So I'm clicking on images. See tons of my images. All right, so it's uploading. You give it some time. So it is there. I love that guy. I'll come back later and use that particular template because I actually liked it. So you see, I'm using this my photo. So you just adjust it. Now if you want to remove the background, which I would suggest, right, you can actually do so, right? But to be able to do it on this particular platform, you would have to have a paid subscription. So but there are easy ways to remove background. Okay, you can go online. In fact, let's do it now. Background, just type background removal. So remove background. I'll go for the first one. I don't think it's harmful. So you see, I'm teaching you many things. So you upload the image. So it's going to give you the option of uploading. So this is our image here. So done. So it will upload it and remove the background for us, and that's what we're going to upload. Wow, don't I look pretty? Oh my. So you now download it. If you want the full image, you can you can even change background. See, awesome. I don't want to be tempted. Let me just focus on what we have here. So I'll download, so it has a transparent. See how easy it is. So you see, I'll open it. Come on. I don't even just say come on. So you see, oh, don't I look pretty? So we'll go over to where we're coming from, and that's Canva. Yeah, we'll come back here. Let's go to Canva. Not Canva. So I'm going to upload this image again. Okay, so I want to replace this. So remember, you just press replace, right? And then I want to upload again, upload media. I'm going to choose the one I just edited, so we'll have to find it. This two. Okay, so we're going to choose this to upload it. So you see, wow, transparent. Isn't this lovely? Oh God, I'm so in love with myself. I'm sorry, that sounds so crazy. So you see, you can adjust it to the way, wow, isn't this lovely? If you want, we can join it to this place over. See? I'm saying design anything on Canva. We can even shift this. You can see, just explore your creativity. You might be shocked. You'll be shocked, right? At what you'll be able to do. This is so beautiful. I love this so much. Okay, so you can even adjust this thing to come down so that it will fit this. You can even blur this. You can work on this. Okay, and then see, we've designed our YouTube thumbnail. Why I chose this, it will automatically choose the size for YouTube, so you don't have to do it over and over again. The same thing we just did now is what you do for flyers, is what you do for whatever you want to design on Canva. Not whatever, except for ebooks and the rest. Okay, so but basically, if you have for flyers, for whatever you want. So our design is complete, and then what do? We simply what? Upload. We press this, and then you choose whatever format you would want. Okay, see, there's so many things here. You can share with your YouTube directly, you can share with Instagram, all this. See, with your Google Drive, everywhere. What is this? What is this monkey doing? MailChimp. All right, come share with all these social media handles, and then you can share your link. You can share to emails, and then we can simply just download, which I'm going to do. They suggested this, and so that's usually the best. So you press download, and voila. Ooh, coming up, coming right up, coming up, coming up, coming right up, coming up, coming up, coming right up, coming up. So our design is ready. So if you want to copy, to share the link, you just click on this, right? All right, so our design is ready. So we're going to click on it to see what it looks like, right? Wow, isn't it lovely? It's still loading, I guess. After you finished designing, okay, now you go over to websites that I always talk about on this my channel. Okay, websites like what? People per hour. You just type, you go over to projects, and then you ask for people that I need of graphic designers. You assure them that you give them quality job. Another website where you can actually advertise your services is indeed.com. Now this indeed.com, they have tons of jobs that I'll be telling you about, but you can also look for jobs that have to do with graphic designing, and you can work remotely, and you don't have to be there. Okay, you just assure them. Okay, if you want, comment in comment section and tell me to explain how you can be convincing enough to your clients. Okay, now I do a lot of convincing, believe me. Not that I lie, no, I just tell them what I do, but I kind of like, like really make them see why they have to choose me. Do you understand? So please, you go to indeed.com. That's the second website. And then finally, you head of Fiverr. Okay, Fiverr.com is another website where you can get clients that are in dire need of the services of a graphic designer. Like I said before, you don't have to be a professional. You just go to canva.com and design whatever you want. Okay, if you need more tutorial on other things you can design, please let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like this channel, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below, and share with friends and loved ones that you want them to learn basic skills. I'm going to be teaching so much on this channel. Thank you very much. Goodbye and God bless.